Hey guys, what's up? It's me Diana and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title below, I will be taking you guys with me as I try to get my life back on track again. So during those times that I haven't been uploading anything, I haven't been building a healthy habit for myself. For this video, it's going to be like a glow up, but it's more of in my lifestyle. And I'm hoping to accomplish all the things that I have listed before that I am very scared to do, or I just don't have the willpower to do so before. And I want to go through them one by one. And these are routines or habits that could pay me off in the long term, not just one day. So yeah, so if you're into that stuff and you also want to make a list of the things that could get you back on track, then keep on watching this video. So, it's already 5:39 AM. Nag-alarm ako ng 5 AM pero bumangon ako like 5:20 kasi this is the first day that I'm trying to incorporate this routine into my life and hindi ko pa siya gamay masyado, and usually kasi nagising ako ay 7 AM na. When I woke up already, nag-try ako sulat ng 5 things that I'm thankful for. Yun yung sinulat ko kagabi bago ako matulog, 5 things I'm grateful for, and it made me feel good. As in, parang hanggang bago ako matulog, I felt good and I felt whole. So, yun. Okay, so now I'm prepared for the gym. I'll just prepare my bag kasi I have to bring some of my things. And yeah, I guess I have to make it productive and quick para makauwi din ako in time for work. Follow na lang ako ng routine from YouTube. I think this was from Naomi Kong. So this is a the follow beginner's guide to gym, and so my anxiety is like crippling on going to these places. Kaya ayun, wish me luck. So, after going to the gym, ganyan, I already took a bath, and then ngayon mag-work lang ako. And I just did my skincare. So, hindi ako mag-makeup today. kasi medyo marami ring request na akong kailangan gawin sa work. So basically, this is what I usually do during the weekdays. Nag-work lang ako sa bahay. And I think once a month lang kami napasok ng team namin to get together, to make kamusta, ganyan. Nagkakamustahan kami. And other than that, I'm just staying at home.
They didn't even tell us.
I can't believe I still don't know what happened to the window in the attic.
So during the weekends, we went for a quick run to the local plant shop here in Calamba to buy some plants. So this is also part of me getting my life back together kasi I've been meaning to buy some plants for a while now and I keep pushing it off thinking that I could do it the next week, ganyan. But this time, ayan, I went out my way and dragged Harold to come with me and buy some plants kasi I really think that plants made my room look much more calming and much more homey. So, yeah.
Sorry, baby. Sorry. Hi. So, manonood lang din ako ng ibang videos na YouTube. Para lang habang ngayon naman, gano'n siya kadumi. Kaya, sobrang long overdue na itong paglilinis na to. And, maybe, in case I would need some organizers din, makakabili pa ako. Kasi I still have time. Ayan. Let's go. And this one, ayan. Grabe, sobrang dumi talaga. Ganyan naman yung mga makeups ko. And the last one. Wala. So, it's been an hour, I guess, and iniisa-isa ko kasi yung mga makeup ko. Like, this one, ayan. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano karami na yung tissue. I only applied alcohol here kasi nakakatanggal yun ng makeup. And nililinis ko yung mga ganito. Ayan. Kapag kaya pa siyang tanggalin ng alcohol. Ayan. Hey guys, so it's already 6:30 and ito na ako sa pinakababang drawer. And sobrang dami kong tinapon ng makeups. Like, look at that. And nasa pangalawang plastic na ako. Ito yung mga makeup na grabe talaga. Meron na siyang may mga molds na yung mga makeup ko. Okay, so I also have here brushes. And to be completely honest with you guys, these ones, parang mga 6 months ko na hindi nalalaban. Natatandaan ko, naglaban naman ako nung nandito na ako nakatira. Pero, after nun, parang hindi na ulit. So, as in, lahat sila lalagyan ko na. Hindi na ako magtitira na parang feeling ko hindi ko ginagamit at hindi ko na. Hindi. Lahat nalaban ko na. Basta, ang goal ko ay dapat maging mas maayos to. And also, accessible lahat pag nagme-makeup ako in the morning. Para hindi ako nalilate. So, it's already 6:50 p.m. 6:52 p.m. and kakatapos ko lang maglinis ng vanity table. Sobrang dami kong itinapon. I think it's 2 bags. Eh, ipapakita ko sa inyo how clean this looks right now. Pero it's not totally clean yet kasi I'm still going to buy organizers. Eh, sobrang gabi na. Wala na akong bibilhan. Kaya, I guess I'll just do that tomorrow. So, I just want to give a takeaway for today that I'm really happy kasi I get to do, slowly, I got to do the things that I've been putting off for a long time just because I think I still have more time. And also, feeling ko medyo na-accomplish ko na slowly natitake off ko na yung mga to-do list ko before I could feel like I really got myself back together again. Yeah. As part of me trying to start anew, this is a really great start. Yeah. I hope for you too.